Hey everyone, welcome to Aggressive Fun, where we do electronics, design, engineering, technology, and discovery, all the while having fun with all of those different elements. We look at robotics, we look at electronics, we do drones, we do wearables, anything that has to do with electronics and technology. We're either looking at it, tearing it apart, or figuring out how to design a new one that's better than whatever's out there. Come check us out and see our tutorials. We do things that are holiday related, that are oriented towards makers, do-it-yourselfers, electronic engineers, students, professionals, anybody who enjoys electronics, wants to get into it, enjoys the engineering side of it, or even just as a hobby. If you want to learn how to solder, if you want to learn how to design electronics, work on robotics, fix things. We do a lot of repairs and a lot of teardowns. We also look at things that we don't have a clue what it is, but it has to do with electronics and technology, so we're going to dig into it and figure out how to make it either something that we can use or figure out what it is. So come check us out, AggressiveFun.com.